Self-healing test of Premium Shield Elite. Install a piece. Film has just been installed. Wipe it so you can see clean surface. Wire brush. Let's give it some surface scratches. See the scratches. And hot water. Wipe it away. Surface scratches disappear.